guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're going to be decorating my drink station right here. I don't have a lot of room, as a lot of you know. Melvin built this bar cart for me and I told him what I wanted. He did that several years ago. He did a great job, but I needed to go up higher because I have limited amount of room. So what I did is I picked up this shelf from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. I think it was like $74, 50% off. But I will tell you, it's not that sturdy. It does have a metal rod in there, and he's going to put a stronger rod in there so I can put heavier stuff. But what I'm going to put up there is definitely safe and will hold. He says there's no problem with it, okay? So after I get finished decorating this, then I'll show you up close what it looks like, and show you what I've done to the bottom because I've changed it up. Now you'll notice I have a new sign here. It says the best memories are made when gathered around the table. I think that's so true, but I knew that really long sign that Mom bought me. I loved it. I'm not getting rid of it, but I knew it wasn't going to go with this, so I switched it out to this. Hobby Lobby's decor was 50% off, so pick that up. And I think it works very nicely together. So enough with all this talk. Let's start decorating this coffee bar for 2021. Okay, now you can see I'm getting some of the things I'm going to put on my bar cart or bar drink station. This is a basket I have had for so long, and that's my coffee sign I made with my Cricut. It was so easy to make. And I love the texture that basket gives to that wood. Now this is a grateful and thankful mug that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It looks like a Ray Dunn dupe. It's not Ray Dunn. I could not find any Ray Dunn at my Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I was so sad. Oh. But these are pumpkins, plates, and leaf plates that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot several years ago. And I love them. You can set them up there on your drink station, and if you just want to get a little snack, you can pick it up and use that, or you can just use it to look pretty. Alright, next I'm getting the riser that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot this year for $5 because I don't have a lot of space, so I had to do something else. And then those three little risers, I'm going to be using one. Those came from TJ Maxx this year, and they'll make a great little to-go mug if we're want to brew like some chai latte, some tea, coffee, or cocoa and head out the door. We're all set and can still be festive. All right, and then these are the little bands that go around them. I'm just setting there off to the side. I think it's already looking so pretty. Now we don't drink, but these are skinny syrups, and I have the white chocolate pumpkin and the pumpkin spice, and they say you can put them in your smoothies, your coffee, your milkshakes, your cocoa, anything. So I thought, or yogurt. So I thought that would make a great addition to what we'll be brewing up this fall. Now these are two mugs that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They say blessed. I'm going to take some of my Cricut vinyl in a real pretty orange and do some Ray Dunn typing on there. Now these are canisters that I have had for so long. If you've been with me for a while, you know I always have them on my drink station. And this is the Favorite Day Maple Pecan Popcorn. It was really good. It really was. I recommend it. I really wish more came in a bag, but it didn't. But they say it's limited time, so I picked that up. I'd never tried any of their products before, and I wanted to try them. They looked really good. All right, this is my medium, my second little container. It's a medium, and this is white chocolate, pumpkin white chocolate cookies. Now, when I first bit into these, I thought they were delicious, but they have somewhat of an aftertaste that I'm not that fond of. So we'll eat them, but I would skip buying them if you haven't already bought them. In my opinion, I think you can get better tasting cookies, okay? And don't mind our little pictures that's on the floor that goes to our barn doors. Melvin is working on them to put the bottom rail in. Now this is the smaller of my jars. Now these cookies, the caramel apple, I would recommend. They are good. I really enjoyed those. They will be the first to go. They are so good. And you know I had to do a taste test for you. So I'm putting the lid back on this, and my hand by this time is really hurting. And I know I still have to edit. Now here's the little gumball machine from Target's Dollar Spot this year. I was so excited to get one. Well, two. And so I'm just making sure that I have everything where I want it. And I did not realize, now these pumpkin spice pretzels, I like the ones you get from Sam's much better. They're good, but the ones from Sam's are addictive, and I love them. These are okay, I would say. But that gumball machine goes all the way down into that white ceramic. I had no clue. So you need quite a bit of whatever you're going to put in there to fill that up. But I think it looks very festive and colorful for fall. This is going to be a really cute fall drink station. Okay, we always love chai latte. That's our favorite. I don't think we've ever bought the Tazo brand before, but I couldn't find what we normally get, so we're going to try this. Normally, we love it. I mean, all fall we have it, and then in the summer we drink it iced. We are addicted to this stuff. And it came with these little packets. But I thought this would be a nice way to display my Keurig pods and then Starbucks hot cocoa. And I'm going to end up putting some marshmallows on my drink station when it gets a little cooler. Right now we would totally melt if we would drink hot cocoa. But it's coming. I know it's coming. But this way you can just reach up there. It's easy to see what you want to grab. You grab it. They don't fall out. And it looks pretty. Now I wanted to put some lights on that top shelf. So I have one set of Dollar Tree owl lights. And I'm just going to string them round through there. And then I have a set of the pumpkin lights. If I had thought, I could have bought two of each, or you could put the really pretty leaves lights that they have. But I think this gives it a really festive look, and it's not that noticeable that they're different, but it just gives that warm glow and says welcome. And here are the little pumpkin lights. And I'm deciding that I'm just going to drape it around and back and around and forth, and just to make it look festive. This sort of reminds me of a coffee bar that we have been in somewhere. I'm loving how it's turning out. Okay, now I picked that up at Hobby Lobby, 50% off, quite a while ago. And I'm just going to put that at the bottom. Like I said, our panels for our barn doors are laying there, but Melvin's still working. Now this is Main Street General Store, $9.99 from TJ Maxx. And they had several sizes of those, but I thought you could put anything in that. maybe this spring I may put that on the top shelf and put my pods in it. I don't know yet. And then that little pumpkin sign from TJ Maxx, $7.99. You cannot beat TJ Maxx. I just wish they'd had some Rae Dunn for me. Okay, and then I'm just putting that exactly where I want it. And then I have to put in our Pumpkin Delights by Little Debbie. We love these things. I'm definitely going to have to pick up my workout routine. I used to work out every day. I walked 3 miles a day, did the Pilates, and then I got so busy with my channel that I've stopped exercising, and I've got to start finding time to exercise because the weight is starting to accumulate, let's say. All right, and then I'm just going to finish it off with a Dollar Tree pumpkin. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Well, here it is. I love it. I think it looks so pretty with my sign over there. It's just very complimentary. And this is how this looks down through here. Now, we don't drink, but that is Skinny Girl syrups that you can put in like hot chocolate, lattes, yogurt, or whatever. And it doesn't have, I don't believe, any sugar. So let's start up at the top, right here. There's my little basket I have had for so long, and I just filled it with the chai latte. We love that, and the Starbucks hot cocoa. And then there's my little travel mugs, to-go mugs that I picked up at TJ Maxx. Love them. There, that looks better. And then there's my coffee sign that I made with my Cricut. So easy to do. And I'll link that video in the description box in case you're interested. And then those are those plates from Target's Dollar Spot from a couple years ago, the pumpkin and the leaves. And then I picked this. These are not Rae Dunn, but I got them at Hobby Lobby. They're sort of dupes for them. I couldn't find any Rae Dunn at my TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I was so disappointed, but this will do. And then I put a little Dollar Tree pumpkin there, and then I just strung Dollar Tree lights. I have the owl lights, and then I have the pumpkin because I didn't have enough of one set. But I think it looks so beautiful, okay? Then down here on the bar cart, I'm telling you that corn is delicious. Now the white pumpkin cookies, they're pretty good. They're not my favorite, but now these apple caramel cookies are delicious. And then here's our little Debbie treats that we love. And then here are those pumpkin spice pretzels. I've had better. I was a little disappointed with them, but they won't last. They're still good. Then back here is that skinny syrups that I was telling you about. I got the pumpkin spice and everything nice for pumpkin spice latte, and then the white chocolate pumpkin. So looking forward to that. And then I put the little pretzels in my gumball machine. And if you didn't know, I didn't know, that gumball machine is open clear down to here, so it holds a lot. Then I just picked up these two other mugs that say blessed right here from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to take my vinyl and do a Rae Dunn font on both of those. We have our Keurig out, so this is how this is looking from there to there. It just looks so festive when those lights are on at night. And then down here, I kept this right on here, my little lantern with the Walmart sign and the Dollar Tree candle holder with the Walmart pumpkin. Then I picked that little flower up at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. And that sweet little Main Street General Store box was at TJ Maxx for $9.99. They had 3 separate sizes. Love it. You can store anything in it. And then the pumpkins, buy them by the bushel, came from TJ Maxx. Now I'm going to hide my cord better, but for now, this is what we have, and I love this. So if you don't have a lot of space, get you a shelf and just go vertical. What's a girl to do? You have to do something. But I really love how festive this all looks. And believe me, these sweets will not last. And like I said, with those lights on, and Melvin can just before he goes to work, make him a cup of hot cocoa or chai latte or coffee and put it in one of those little containers, and he is out the door. But I can't wait to make hot chocolate when it gets a little cooler. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So now my finger is still really sore. It's up in this hand and into this wrist and this finger. And the fingers are actually starting to stick and then they pop open. So I haven't gotten to your comments. I'm reading them all. I know a lot of you have stopped commenting, and I understand that. I just cannot right now until I get my stylus. I ordered them off of Amazon. I could not find any at Target, Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Publix. I even looked. So I ended up ordering them off of Amazon, and they're supposed to be here tomorrow. So I'm hoping they'll come, and then I can start hopefully giving you hearts, and if you ask questions, commenting to that. But I'm not ignoring you. It's just I can't, and I have to take care of my finger. But I do read your comments. So Maggie says hello. Say hello. Say hi. Say I love you. Say yes. Say I was sleeping on the couch. Yeah. So I will see you tomorrow for a Dollar Tree haul and a planner. So until next time, bye guys.